TEK-MAP Process Information Grids are produced on a roll containing no less than 105 sheets. Each Process Information Grid is an 11 by 14-inch self-adhesive white pre-printed form. In markets that experience cold winter, it's important to note that warm film will stick to a cold surface. However, cold film will not stick to anything. For this reason, TEK-MAP rolls must be stored in a warm and dry environment. TEK-MAP replaces commonly used paint markers. Paint markers can damage glass and be difficult to clean up when the repairs are finished. Apply TEK-MAP to a clean, dry window. Use Vietek Glassy and a clean towel for best results. TEK-MAP forms adhere to vehicle windows and remain in place throughout the entire process. TEK-MAP removes easily and does not require any cleanup. Take caution not to apply TEK-MAP Process Information Grids to flexible plastic windows, such as those found on convertible tops, as discoloration can occur. When used to its full potential, TEK-MAP Process Information Grids provide required information for insurance personnel as well as operational information for the technician. This ensures repairs move quickly from department to department. The top half of TEK-MAP is designed to provide information that was identified as most important to technicians, and the bottom half provides information that was identified as most important to CSRs and detail personnel. The form fields are designed to trigger downstream action by technicians and sublet providers, helping to ensure that all personnel become involved with needed documentation, important timelines, and fulfilling customers' expectations. We recommend using various colored markers to customize TEK-MAP to meet specific shop needs. Individual fields can be customized by the user. For example, the assigned text field could be multiple technicians' names followed by a date range, indicating how long each tech has to finish their assigned work. Many collision repair professionals were consulted during the development of TEK-MAP, resulting in what we believe to be a very comprehensive yet simple form. If you agree with the saying that information is power, then we believe you'll find the Vietek TEK-MAP is one powerful tool to reduce cycle time and improve process efficiencies. Value, innovation, execution, technology. That's Vietek.